So hi students, so today we are going to reconstruct the accounts receivable account just to find out how much money we have received from our customers. So if you can still recall my previous video, okay, I told you that under receipts from customers, it includes collection from debtors as well. So you need to see how much money you have collected from our accounts receivable. So first thing first, you need to read the question properly. Okay, in this question we have accounts receivables, we have all these sales, okay, and then we have bad debts. But if you notice that there's no allowance for doubtful debts. So when there is no allowance for doubtful debts, okay, we don't need to reconstruct the allowance for doubtful debts just to find out your bad debts, because the bad debts is already given over here. Okay, so these are one of the important information that you need to highlight. In order to reconstruct our accounts receivable, you need to look at the balance BD and balance CD of accounts receivable, bad debts, and then sales, because sales will increase our accounts receivable. So don't forget about that. Okay, and then we have sales return. So when we have sales return, right, okay, our accounts receivable will become lesser. So this one you need to take note of it as well. And discount allowed. When I allow discount, okay, when I allow discount, people owe me lesser. So this will affect my accounts receivable as well. Okay, so you need to look through the information which is relevant to your accounts receivable before you start doing it. Okay, so once I already highlighted all the information that I need to put everything into my T accounts over here. So first thing first, I need to put in my balance BD. Balance BD, which is, how much is it again? Balance BD $1. And don't forget my balance CD. My closing balance is $3. Okay, I don't know how many rows I need, but I just leave it blank, okay, just in case. So balance CD is $3. Okay, so next one, I need to put in my sales. When I make sales, okay, we assume all these sales are credit sales, okay, so sales, all these credit sales will increase my accounts receivable. So I should debit accounts receivables with my sales. Sales, how much is it again? So this should be 95. Okay, next will be my sales return. So sales return will reduce the amount of accounts receivable I have. So under the credit side, you key in sales return. Sales return, which is $5. And next will be discount allowed. Discount allowed also will reduce my accounts receivable, because when I give people discount, okay, I will receive less from them. Okay, so, and don't forget our bad debts. Okay, when we close our bad debts, okay, when we write off our bad debts, we should close part of our accounts receivable. So bad debts here will actually reduce our amount in accounts receivable. So under credit side, you should put in bad debts, $8. Okay, I think I put it in the wrong row, so my balance CD is supposed to be in the next row. Okay, so once you have done all of this, you have put in all the information that you have, you need to balance out all the account. So in your debit side, you would have $96. So the total in your credit side is supposed to be the same as well. So this is supposed to be 96 as well at the bottom. So don't forget to draw two lines here. So because I don't have any pen right now, wait, hold on. Let's see whether I have any pen or not. Okay, I have pen. Okay. So don't forget to draw these two lines. Okay. Where is it? Okay, so it's gone. Okay, so don't forget to draw the two lines. Okay. And then once you get your total, right, you need to balance out all the accounts. So 96 minus 5 minus 2 minus 8 minus 3. So this is 10, 18, 18, 96 minus 18 equals to, so the amount that you receive cash at bank equals to 78. Okay, so the answer is C. So why cash at bank is on the credit side of accounts receivable? Because when we when we receive money, we debit cash at bank, credit accounts receivable. So eventually it will be on the credit side of accounts receivable. Okay, so this is how you find out the receipts from customers, by reconstructing the T accounts for accounts receivable.